Thank you.
Going to Badwater. Yeah, good workout.
When you get to be his age, it's real far.
We're gonna smoke him. All right, rock and roll. Let me lead you out of here.
Oh, I didn't start my bike. I don't want you to get extra miles.
Hey, turn on your GoPro.
It's on.
I gotta put some music on. It's cool.
Huh?
Oh, it's on?
It's on.
Here we go.
Just a little climb till we hit our turn. Traffic isn't terrible. Looks bad right now, but once we get turned off this main road up here, start going to Badwater Basin, gets a little better. It's slow going. Looks like looks like Mars out there.
I have a carrot to throw out. What do you think of this idea? When we get back, we go to the ice cream shop and get a chocolate shake.
Okay?
Like that idea?
Yeah.
You excited about that idea?
It's good. having fun?
Yeah, isn't this awesome?
Yeah. So this is the little side road onto. This is a little side road. Takes you over to Badwater. This used to be a lake. Way up there. Thousands of, I don't know, a long time ago. There's another ride, you see where these cars are up here, called Artist Palette. It's challenging. It's a lot of windy climbing roads. Kind of does a loop. Very challenging ride. Fun. In fact, the guy above me, in front of me here, passed a camper going down Artist Palette. He passed a camper doing about 50 miles an hour. And if you can see him, you can tell he's not all there. Oh, my little buddy.
Little buddy getting pissed off at everything.
My little buddy. His tent. There's his tent. Oh, look at his pillow. Bye-bye, pillow. That's what I like to do when I pass my buddy. Give him a little war cry. Little war cry that there's a new sheriff in town. Woo! Howdy. Good, how are you? Good. Going to Badwater?
What?
You going to Badwater?
Yup.
All right.
Where are you from?
Sacramento.
Okay.
You?
Durango, Colorado.
Oh, cool. I grew up in Wyoming. I went to the University of Wyoming.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Have a good ride. This is the back end of Artist Palette, I believe. So you start up here, you ride all through these hills. Like I said, steep climbs, windy, pretty gnarly descents. I mean, it's challenging, especially if you're somebody like me that's just, I'm not a great cyclist. I do it for fun and for exercise. It was really challenging. If you're a really good cyclist, maybe not as much, but go all the way through there and then you come out that road. And it's, I don't know how long it is. I want to say from Furnace Creek to do the Artist Palette loop and back to Furnace Creek, you're looking at probably 50 or more miles, 50, 55 miles maybe. And I charged it too. These cheap, you get ripped off. I may have to stop again. Devil's Golf Course. Right out there, boys. Man, Death Valley is a trip. So you can see, starting to come in a little bit, the Badwater Basin. The basin is all that white, all that salt. Just beautiful out here. Getting closer. I see cars way in the distance. It's probably maybe 4 miles away. I don't know. That's where we're going. I really like this ride in Death Valley. From everything centered from Furnace Creek, because that's where I always stay. And these day rides, there's a couple. So there's Badwater Basin and back, there's Artist Palette, and there's Dante's View. Those are the 3 main rides that I do from Furnace Creek. Dante's View is just a ton of climbing. It's hours and hours of climbing to get to the top of Dante's View, which is like over 5,000 feet of climbing. It is brutal. It's a fun challenge. Big time temperature change, which can be hard, because if you're not, you know, it could be 80 degrees when you're climbing, but when you get to the top, all of a sudden it's 50 and windy. And that one, it takes you 4 or 5 hours to get to the top, all climbing, and then an hour to get home. We're going to do that on this trip, but it's brutal. So I don't like to start with it. Artist Palette's pretty tough ride too. The Badwater Basin, it's a good warm-up ride for these other rides. It's hilly, you do some climbing, but it's a little bit shorter, probably about 40 miles round trip, give or take. But you're not going to just kill your legs climbing. You'll do some hills, but nothing terrible. So it's a great opening ride, and it's real pretty. Look at that basin.
Right. So it's only about 18 miles, 19 miles.
I'm gonna pause. Sea level's way up there. So what'd you think of the ride? You were on camera.
I think it's a very beautiful ride. It's very quiet. It's very easy on the eyes.
What kind of people would you consider to do this ride from Furnace Creek?
What people have to be, like what physical shape they have to be in?
Yeah.
Well, I think I would say it's a kind of easy to moderate ride. And I think you have to have a little bit of like if you were a walker and you walked a lot, you could do this ride. You might have a little bit of difficulty. But,
What about the traffic? Did you ever get worried about the traffic? I noticed this big bus over there.
Yeah, the people with the cars are very, I would say for the most part, 99%, very aware of your presence and make a big, they leave a lot of space when they pass you. So I don't feel like
Now, I noticed you have a rear view mirror on your glasses. You like that?
I think it's very important for bicycle safety. See, I can see what you're doing right now, right behind me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Will you take my picture? Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Let's do one like this.
Oh, come on.
Yeah.
Yeah, mine's heavier. Oh, God.
Thank you.
It's kind of a cool thing. Take a picture at the end on the salt flat.
All right.
Salt flats. Yeah. There we go. Come over this way a little bit. Get right in the white area. That's good. That's a great picture. Just hold that.
Oh, shit.
Don't have a meltdown now. Well, look at that one.
Messed up my brakes when I dropped it.
Here,
Wow.
here.
Ooh, meltdown coming up. Oh,
Here, hold the bike.
have me a meltdown. I'll see you in a couple hours when you pick me up.
That's interesting.
I didn't dump it very hard.
You're good.
Well, that was the ride. I'm not going to film on the way back because you get the idea. But beautiful ride. All right, get out there and cycle. Be well.